Hey everybody, it's Heidi. I have some exciting stuff I found today by trolling Craigslist. It's Wednesday, or it was Wednesday. Well, it's still Wednesday. It's about midnight. No, actually it's Thursday. I don't fucking know what day it is. Anyway, I was trolling Craigslist and found an early bird yard sale that I was able to go to today, and it was fantastic. So I want to show you what I found. So what we found, or what I found, was Tandy, Radio Shack Tandy, or TRS-80. We all know what that is. Cartridges. This one is the Audio Spectrum Analyzer. Not good condition where the packaging or the label is concerned, but the pins inside look pretty good. Of course, I can't test these. I do not have a Tandy, but it looks pretty good. Quarter, like 25 cents. Same thing, same deal. This is the Color Computer Editor Assembler with Z-Bug. I don't know what the hell that means. Sounds important. 1982. It's a while ago. Same thing. I can't test it, but the pins look really good. And that functions. Quarter. Number 3. Same thing. Worse condition where the paper's concerned. It's a diagnostics for the Tandy TRS-80 Radio Shack. I don't know what that means. You can't find any. I've searched for this on eBay and such, and at the time I couldn't find it. Quarter. And this one's a good one. For the Tandy. Hamsoft, Amtor, Cantronics for the TRS-80-C connector. Took me a while to figure out what this is about, but the best I can tell you is it's for ham radio. Has somehow this works. I guess you plug this in the Tandy and you plug this into the ham radio. I don't know, but I'm 100% sure it is for a ham radio function. Quarter. So I got all 4 of these for $1. And within 5 minutes of the eBay listing, $20 sold. The Z-Bug. I assume this is probably some programming crap. I don't know. Within an hour, $20 sold. So it's 40 bucks on $1 investment. So we got that. These 2 are listed, but no hits yet. Alright. Nintendo 64. Don't know if it works, but I know it turns on. It does have the battery pack and everything. Paid $1. Talked them down completely because they didn't have any of the controllers. They didn't have a game. There was no way to test it. All you could see is that it turned on. So I tell them, I don't know if it works or not. It's useless if it doesn't work. Which it's not useless to us. We just fix it. But you ain't got to let them know that. Anyway, I got it down to $1. and I just sold it for 30, as is. Okay. Then I got a bunch of old, adapters. Funky ones, I have no idea, but stuff like this I keep. So if I come across something that needs it, I can test it. So I keep that stuff. And then I've got these two manuals for $1 a piece. Intronics ink. It's the Intronics EEPROM Programmer's Guide. Sounds important. 1986. So I haven't even looked this up yet to see if it's worth anything. I'm sure it is. Anything old computer's worth something. So that was $1. And then Canatronics. There's a little instruction manual for the Model CP1 computer patch. This is the manual for the ham cassette or controller, whatever, that I just sold. Super freaking cool. All in great condition. I mean, it was an awesome find. And a Magic 8 Ball. 25 cents. How popular will my channel be? Gotta ask more direct. Will my channel be popular? You may rely on it. Have an awesome night.